Hi, I'm Tina with Oil by Tina. As a two-time cancer survivor, the treatment made my skin dry and itchy, and I couldn't find a product that worked. So I experimented by making my own body oil that really works. You can apply this at any time, and I find that it works best after a warm shower. And even my family uses it for their needs. Let me show you what goes into it. We have almond and coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, and lavender essential oil. This oil can be purchased at Oil by Tina in my Etsy store, and every bottle is handcrafted and made to order. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, keep an eye out for new items in my store.